Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to switch account on Monopoly Go. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application. Now, after opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Now, if you would want to switch account, you will see that there is no option to log out or switch your account. So what you'll have to do is simply close Monopoly Go, go to Play Store, click on search and search for Monopoly Go. Now, uninstall this application and reinstall it to get the option to switch account. Now if you don't want to uninstall it, simply navigate to Monopoly Go, hold it down, click on the eye icon, scroll down and click on storage. Now click on clear cache, then click on clear data. As you can see, when I click on clear data, all of this application's data will be deleted permanently, including all file setting accounts and databases. So the account will also be deleted along with this. So when you click on delete button here, Monopoly Go application will start afresh where you'll be able to log into another account that will help you switch your account. So that's how you switch Monopoly Go account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.